Like and subscribe if you love keeping up with the future, even when it looks a little terrifying. In what feels like a scene straight out of a sci-fi movie, a humanoid robot being tested in a Chinese factory went haywire, flailing its limbs violently, toppling equipment, and sending workers scrambling for safety. The video of the malfunctioning robot has gone viral, sparking global concern about how close we are to losing control over artificial intelligence. The robot, identified as the Unitree H1, was undergoing routine testing when something went very wrong. Designed to function in human environments, the robot was suspended from a crane-like structure during its test. But suddenly, its movements became erratic. Arms swinging, body twisting with uncontrolled force. Factory workers, clearly startled, tried to intervene. One brave soul even attempted to steady the machine manually, adjusting its support rig. A risky move considering the unpredictable strength of these machines. Now here's the kicker. This isn't the first time a Unitree robot has made headlines. Earlier this year, another of their humanoid units unexpectedly lunged toward a crowd at a public demo in Tianjin. That incident was chalked up to a sensor or programming glitch, but how many glitches does it take before things get out of hand? As these AI-powered machines become more advanced and integrated into our workplaces, experts are warning us, we need strict safety protocols. Malfunctions like this don't just pose a risk to human workers. They chip away at public trust in automation and robotics. Is this the future we signed up for? Or are we rushing headfirst into an era we're not prepared for? Let us know what you think in the comments. Are these just growing pains or red flags? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories at the edge of technology, business, and the human experience. Stay alert. The future is already here.